Hey all, welcome back. So today in this video we'll be checking moment tele 58mm lens and moment anamorphic 1.3x lens attached on iPhone 14. So we will see if any vignetting happening or if any ghosting happening, how is the focus, or it comes with any soft edges, all those things. So let's get started. So this is our tele 58mm lens and the anamorphic 1.3x lens. So this is the moment M mount, can be used in any phone, and any moment lenses can be attached on this mount. But personally I don't recommend this mount. Actually what I felt is the when you are actually tightening the screw on the upper side, it's giving some pressure on the phone screen. This footage is shot using the native iPhone 14 camera. It's just a iPhone 14, not a Pro. And the next footage is shot using the 58mm lens. So here you can see the focus is not getting properly, and there is a soft blurry ghosting effect. In this Christmas ring and on the stars and the Buddha painting as well, you can see the colors are not rendered properly, and looks like actually there is a vignetting sort of thing happening and the focus is not proper. Now let's attach the anamorphic lens and see how it works. Personally, I'm impressed with the anamorphic performance on the iPhone 14. Looks like it's fine. So the colors, everything looks good, and you get the typical anamorphic, the light effect. So to conclude, I recommend the anamorphic lens for iPhone 14 and even for the 13 series as well, but I don't recommend the tele 58mm for the iPhone 14 or 13 as well.